everybody, it's the Cooking Mom, and I have an amazing fruit dip recipe to share with you. Doubles as dessert and just 3 ingredients. I love it. It's one of my go-tos. So the first thing I did is I started with a softened block of cream cheese, and then we got the old marshmallow fluff or marshmallow cream. Either one will work. This is a big guy, so if you're getting a small guy, you want to do actually the whole container. The hardest part of this recipe is getting the fluff out of the container. And then I'm just using some orange zest and a little bit of orange juice. This is so easy. It's a summertime favorite, and if you don't feel like baking, just put this out with a bunch of fresh fruit and watch it get gobbled up. I've been making this for years, and it's just, when it's hot in the summer and you just want dessert, but you don't feel like turning on the oven. Fruit kebabs are really pretty too. Arlo the dog just showed up, and no, you're not getting any fruit dip. Just use your mixer to mix it all together. And that's it. It's so good you could eat it by the spoonful, but we'll be well behaved and pile it into a pretty bowl surrounded by some fresh fruit, berries. This is one of my family's favorites, and I'm betting it's gonna be one of yours too. And for this recipe and lots of delicious summer recipes, head to thecookingmom.com. You can follow me on social media too. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So follow me. Have a great day. Take care.